Alright, so today I'm doing a diagnostics on my car after watching some YouTube videos, and I wanted to try them out for myself. So I've been having a rough idle. Camera probably won't see it as well, but here's the startup. So engine's very shaky right now, and I'm getting some rough accelerations. And then found out online that it could probably be because of my ignition coil. So what I was told was, if I pull the injector coil and there's a change in the engine RPMs, then that tells me that that's a good ignition coil. But if I pull the plug and I don't get any changes, then that's the bad one. So I haven't done my research much, but I think this is bank 1. So I'm pulling the cord. Engine's rough. Put it back in, smooth. There's a drop. Put it back in. Not much of a change, so that's probably a bad one. Same thing with bank 3. To bank 4. Engine change. Bank 5. And then bank 6, out, in, out, in, go back to 3. I'm pulling a 2 and 3. No change in the RPMs for the engine while I pull 2 and 3 out. 1. Yeah. So I'm gonna go pick up the new ignition coils and change out 2 and 3. But I'm gonna do another test. I'm going to turn off the car, switch 2 of the coil packs, see if they follow through. So I'm going to take 1, swap it out with 2. Those 2 are swapped. I'm gonna grab bank 4 if I can. There it goes. Swap it with 3. And then retry the test. So 2 and 3 swap with 1 and 4. Everything is plugged in. Give it another shot. Alright, so let's try 1 again. Yep, no change. Now 2. There's a change. 3. Yep, another change. 4. No change. Alright. So, that concludes it. I'm going to go get the new plugs and see if that takes care of the rough idle. Alright, so here I am back again. Picked up my parts. Just gonna go back and reconfirm with the coil packs. So, bank 1. Light change, bank 2. No change. Bank 3. Bank 4. Bank 5, bank 6. So definitely bank 2. I'm not so sure about 3. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off, but first, here's the replacements I got. I got them at Advanced Auto. They're Bosch parts. So, taking off this Bosch part. Brand new. I'll switch it with bank 2s. Just gonna try the 1 because now, curious to see if it was just only 1 ignition coil that was going bad. So that's seated. Plug this guy in. It's very different from the OEM ones, but clip in. Since you see that gap there and you see these, there's no gap. But alright, let's give it a shot, try it again. Keys in. Here we go. Engine started up. It's running a lot smoother. idle's bouncing a little, but engine is not shaking as much as it did before. So I know when I was doing the coil pack testing, I thought that bank 2 and 3 were bad, so I bought 2 coil packs just in case. But from after retrying that test, it seems like only bank 2 was bad. Even revs up fine. No more shaking. I might have fixed it. Alright. We'll go for a test drive and we'll see how that goes. Tinker with it too much, but for now, that is the fix on a BMW E90 325xi coil pack causing misfire. Well, good luck to everybody, and I hope it works out for you guys as well.